Deeptech is really about the physical world. The physical world is very difficult to deal with because everything which is physical is more or less built already. So whatever you deploy, it has to be built on afterwards. It was easy if you could build all new cars and all new buildings and all new everything, but it's not. So physical environments are very difficult. But the most important thing we have on Earth is physical. So if you remember when the internet happened, it changed everything but the physical world. Now we are changing the physical world as well. That's why it's so important. So to go there, it takes a long time. Deeptech typically needs financing for many more years or more years at least, than other technologies. So we talk about patient money. So if you're going to build a new type of nuclear plant technology, you can't do that in 3 years. It probably takes 10, 15 before it kind of takes off. So we need patient money. That's one of the big changes. And also for companies corporates, established companies who need to work with Deeptech, it's much more complicated for them to do that. They have to have a plan in their company on where it fits, what they're looking for, why they're looking for things. It's very much harder to do trials together with companies because you maybe have to build a test manufacturing plant or something like that. So everything is difficult, challenging in time, challenging in money, but the rewards are enormous. Since most of the Deeptech innovations are either based on research in universities or in corporates, or it's companies starting from scratch, completely outside of the innovation system, with people who have been working in an industry for a long time, who are maybe 40, 50 years old, and they know a lot of people, they know how to get finance. But in any case, to make the first kilo of a new material or to produce the first tonne of something is really difficult because it requires a factory. Maybe you can make it in somebody else's factory, but when you meet a corporate and they say, this is great, we really want this material in our product. They say, how much do you have? And you say, well, we can do 1 kilo a month. They say, we need 1 tonne a day. So that's the whole issue of Deeptech, scaling up from small startups and things and trying to build something because it's hard enough to build a company itself. From there until you can really deliver what people want in those quantities that we need, takes forever. So this is why I think corporate to corporate collaboration is even more important than before. Both if you find, like in Deeptech Alliance, we have those matching with corporates and European Deeptech startup.